Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all are you good. Now let's start Unit A, the natural world, chapter 1, world of lakes. Okay, lake मतलब झील, झीलों का संसार. ठीक है? Now let's start. Number 1, read the clues and find the names of the lakes in the word grid. Okay, then number 1, this lake in Srinagar, adorned with sailing shikaras, is nicknamed the jewel in the crown of Kashmir. And this is Dal Lake. Now search here. Where is Dal Lake? This is. Okay. Number 2, located in Odisha. This is the largest saltwater lake in India and believed to be one of the largest coastal lagoons in the world. This is Chilika Lake. Okay, and mention here. Chilika Lake. Okay. Number 3, this lake in Tibet with the Mount Kailash standing tall in the north is regarded as one of the holiest lakes in Hinduism as well as Buddhism. This is Mansarovar Lake. Now, where is Mansarovar Lake? This is Mansarovar Lake. Okay. Number 4, this lake in Andhra Pradesh was built by Hazrat Hussain Shah Wall in 1562. In the middle of the lake is a large monolithic statue of the Buddha built in 1991. This is, यहाँ पे अभी हम थर्ड वाली फिल कर देते हैं, मान सरोवर लेक. अब यहाँ पे आ जाएगी हुसैन सागर लेक. नाउ सर्च हेयर Hussain Sagar Lake. Where is this one? Hussain Sagar Lake. Okay. Now, number 5 will come on next page. A saltwater lake in Maharashtra. This was a crater which was created by meteor that hit the earth millions of years ago. So, which lake is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lonar Lake. And solve the puzzle. Lonar Lake. This is this one. Okay. Next question. This lake located in Manipur is the largest freshwater lake in Northeast India and is also known as floating lake due to the floating units of floating mass of this one. This is Loktak Lake. Can we search here? Where is it? Loktak Lake. This is. Okay. And last one. Located in Siberia, This is the deepest and oldest freshwater lake in the world. It contains about 1/5 of the world's supply of fresh water. This is Lake Baikal. And where is it? This one. Okay. Now, next chapter. Chapter number 2, Mammals Mania. A mammal is an animal that breathes air as a backbone and grows hair at some point during its life. In addition, all female mammals have glands that can produce milk. Mammals are among the most intelligent of all living creatures. Read the clues given, find the answers hidden in the word grid and encircle them. And this one is number 1, skull. Okay, this is skull. Second is milk. Milk is not here. Now, number 3rd is red kangaroo. This is red kangaroo. Okay. Number 3rd, this is number 4, hibernation. Okay. Then where is it? Search it, hibernation. This is hibernation. Okay. Now, next, birds. This is birds. Next one is otter. हम यहाँ पे भी साथ के साथ फिल कर देते हैं. Number 1, skull. What usually the first food of a baby mammals? Milk. Okay. Next question. What is the world's largest marsupial? Red kangaroo. Number 4, the extended period in which animals take a deep sleep in the water, वो होते हैं हमारे hibernation. Four chambered hearts are shared between mammals and which other animals? Birds. Number 6, the semi-aquatic fish eating mammals that are relatives of weasels and badgers. This is otter. Number 7, these mammals have incisors that can grow to about a meter in length. This is walrus. Number 8, these animals feed on dead animals and plant materials. This is scavengers. Number 9, these mammals keep their young in a pouch. Marsupials. No, this one is marsupial is here. These mammals keep their young in pouch. जो अपने बच्चे को अपने pouch में रखता है. This is red kangaroo. Okay. Now, next chapter, volcanoes around the world. Volcanoes around the world. Now, let's start chapter number 3. A volcano is a Okay, now that's clear. A volcano is a rupture on the crust of a planetary mass project such as the Earth, which allows hot lava, volcanic ash, and gases to escape from a magma chamber below the surface. Now, test your knowledge. Test your knowledge about volcanoes and answer this question. This is what is the lifespan of land based volcano? What is the life, मतलब क्या life होती है इनकी? इनकी life होती है 10 million years. 10 million years. Okay. Number 2, how many volcanic eruptions have occurred over the last 5,000 years? This is 5,500. Okay. Number 3, how many of the world's volcanoes are considered potentially active? 1,300. Most of the volcanoes in the world are located in most of the volcanoes under the oceans. Under the oceans. Number 5. How hot is lava? This is 1150, 1200 degrees Celsius. Okay, 1200 degree Celsius. The ring of fire is, this is a circle of volcanoes that surrounds the Pacific Oceans. Okay. A circle of volcanoes that surround the Pacific Ocean. Okay. Number 7. This was a 9-year eruptions that destroyed the town. It was in Mexico. This is Nevada del Ruiz. Number 8, what was the largest volcanic eruption in terms of lava emissions in modern times? This is Mount Tambora. This is Mount Tambora. Number 9, what is the largest volcano in the world? This is Mauna Loa. Hawaii. Okay. Number 10. What is the only active volcano on the European mainland? This is Mount Vesuvius. Okay. Now let's come next chapter. Chapter number 4, Fungi Kingdom. Okay. A fungi is any member of a large group of eukaryotic organisms that include microorganisms such as yeasts and molds, as well as the more familiar mushrooms like choose the correct answer to the questions. Now, question number 1. The fungi are now not considered plants as they once were, but are part of the eukaryotes. This one. Number 2. Which of these are not in the fungi groups? Little bit large now. Okay. Angiosperms. Number 3. A living organism that lives off another living organism without helping that organism is a parasite. Number 4. The structures that fungi have for taking in nutrients are called mycelium. The form of reproduction in which an organism grows a new piece that eventually breaks off to form a new organism is called fission. Now, number 6. How many species of fungi are thought to exist? 1.5 million. Number 7. Fungi made their own food? No, false. Number 8. Fungi have true roots, stems, and leaf structures? False. Okay, now let's come next chapter. Chapter number 5. Unusual animals. Identify these rare and amazing animals. Pick your answer from the clue box. Here is clue box. Now choose the correct one. Number 1. This picture, this is the Gallucus atlanticus, a crazy species of blue sea slug. It is able to float on the water surface because of a gas-filled sac in its stomach. This species can be found in the warm oceans water, so be careful not to step on these beauties. This is the blue dragon. This one. Blue dragon. Okay. Number 2. This frightening looking fish is found near the Galapagos Island, but it doesn't swim. Okay. It doesn't swim. This is red. Okay. Swim. It can be found on the bottom of the ocean. Okay. Walking on its unusual fins. This is the red-lipped sea batfish. Red-lipped batfish. Okay. Number 3. It lives in the trees of the tropical forests in Africa, and it does most of its hunting at night. The snake may look fierce, but it is actually one of the smallest species of snake with a maximum length of only 78 centimeters. Then this is the bush viper. This one, number 3. The bush viper. Okay. Now next, number 4. This is the blue parrotfish. This funny fish in average 30 to 75 centimeter in length. Some can grow up to 1.2 million probably, because it spends up to 80% of its time looking for food. This is the blue parrotfish. Blue parrot fish. Number 5, last, very interesting picture. This rare species is of frog commonly found in India is much more bloated and round than its other frog counterpart. It also has a small head and an unusual snout. It is so rare because it only spends 2 weeks above ground every year. Okay, ये बहुत कम देखने को मिलता है. This one is the Indian purple frog. Indian purple frog. Okay, now let's come next chapter. International systems of unit. A unit is a definite magnitude of a physical quantity defined and adopted by convention or by law. Okay, that is used as a standard for measurement of the same physical quantity. Write the correct letters in the boxes to match each of these units with they are used to measure. Now, ampere, this electric current, D. Okay, electric current. Number 2, candela, distance, J. This is J. Intensity of light. Okay. Number 3, light year. This is distance traveled by light in a year, I. Okay. Number 4, Newton force, G. Okay. Number 5, Joule energy, E. Number 6, tone weight, H. Number 7, OHM resistance, E. Number 8, volt, this is C, voltage, this one. Okay. Number 9, watt power, B. And radian, what's left? F, plane angles. I hope all of you enjoying these chapters. Thank you. Have a nice day.